Hi, my name is Evie, and we are going to be opening Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. So it's getting opening. Pop. It keeps doing this. It's sticky. Well, I guess my Pokemon pack's broken. Still too bad we're gonna open it. If I can open it. Magic hands open it.
Hold it. Why?
Ooga booga.
Here we go.
Do you like my tablecloth?
Here you are, man.
Black code card!
What?
There's my black code card. Get out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You gotta turn them around.
So first we got a fire type.
What? That is so cute. What? No.
Yo.
Oh, wow. Wow.
CJ will be embarrassed.
Those are so cute.
Last card. Not rare.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, now I don't know where my Pokemon binder is, Magic Hands.
Oh, well, we'll find it later. Hold your cards up. They're going to show what you got. Nice.
2 red cards and 1.
Very nice. Let's get them in sleeves.
I'm gonna go embarrass CJ.